So the ARC jockey wheel, the 750 rated jockey wheel that is on all of the Viper range of Maverick campers. A brilliant system, not having to take a jockey wheel on and off. This makes it a lot easier, but there are a couple of little tips for making it easier and also not damaging it. So we're in a travel position at the moment, folded up. Once you get to your location, the big lever at the top will allow you to release the clip, swing the jockey wheel down, like so. Then you have another clip, a secondary clip, which is for the main mast pole. So there's an internal round pole and the main mast. You want to make sure that pole is as low to the ground as possible so that you don't wind too much of the center round pole out. That's where it gets a bit flexible and can bend. So we've got it in the right position now. Your removable magnetic handle, wind it down to the ground, and we're already on the ground, so we're not going to have to wind that very far to then have it in the right spot. So when you see too much of this round pole down here, say 10 centimeters or more, it's too much. That's where it will start to get a little bit dangerous and you may bend that pole. So just adjust this main mast using this clip, get it lower to the ground and then wind it up. Very simple, very easy. And again, when you reverse the process, obviously wind it up and just make sure the little pin goes into the hole. A few people have damaged those by bending it and it's not in the right spot, but that will then travel correctly. It won't swing around. And then you can lift it up, remove the handle, off you go.